Welcome back to my YouTube channel, students. In this video, I am going to explain short trick and tips to the grade 10 and O level students. Science is very easy, but lot of students are feeling as a clarifications. I don't know reason for this. To remove this problem, I have choose to get the class through the YouTube. So please consider this all of the video regularly. Grade 10 syllabus is very better than grade 11 syllabus. Reason for we can observe lot of questions regarding to the grade 10 science syllabus. That's why we have to consider and mention grade 10 syllabus very properly. In this video, I am going to explain grade 10 syllabus biology first unit. If you follow my method, you can get the answer within few minutes without any calculation. The first unit of biology, chemical basis of life. Mean of chemical basis of life. These following chemicals are very important to the usual life. That's why this heading called as a chemical basis of life. Before climbing on briefly details, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. My channel improvement depend on support to the students. That's why you should be able to give your support regularly to made new video. Okay, let's go to the video. Include the chemical basis of life heading: carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, nucleic acids, water, minerals, vitamins. Basically, we know there are two types of natural compound. The first one is organic compound. The second one is inorganic compound. Organic compounds are made up structure of organisms. We know there are three types of organisms. First one microorganisms, second one plants, third one is animals. Without organic compound can't made up structure of organisms. That's why we can say organic compounds are very better than inorganic compounds. I already told you example of organic compound: nucleic acid, lipids, carbohydrate and proteins. To get the idea in your mind, you can use this type of short form: newly carbro. Newly carbro. New mean nucleic acids, car mean carbohydrates, li mean lipids, pro mean proteins. If you keep in your mind like this, you can remember properly. Vitamin also organic compound, but it is not main organic compound. Nucleic acid, lipids, carbohydrates and proteins are main organic compounds. Vitamin also organic compound, but it is not inorganic compound. You can keep in your mind as a very easy like this. All are road, but main road some different than other road, no. That's why main main organic compounds are carbohydrate, protein, lipids, nucleic acid, but sub or not main organic compound is vitamins. Water and minerals are inorganic compounds. Water and minerals are example to the inorganic compound. Minerals are very important to the maintaining life processing of organisms. Vitamin also like that. we can simplify as a two type of vitamins. The first one is dissolving by water. The second one is dissolving by cholesterol. Vitamin B and vitamin C are can dissolve by water, and vitamin A, D, E, K are. A, D, E, K means short form is EDEC. You can keep in your mind as a EDEC. A, D, E, K. A, D, E, K vitamins are can dissolving by cholesterol. That's why when we getting vitamin C as a direct. Next is water. Without water, can't do any processing of organisms. That's why we can say contribute of water is very important to the organisms. Specific properties of water as a coolant, as a solvent, as a living media to the water organisms. These things are very important specific properties of the water. Minerals are very important inorganic compound to the plants and animals. Plants also expecting good minerals from the air to complete the life stage. Some important minerals are when reducing usually level, which plant can meet lot of diseases in stem disease and leaf disease and branches disease like this. Photosynthesis processing is very important processing of the plants. Without photosynthesis can't live plants and animals. After the photosynthesis, which plant can releasing oxygen gas. Those gas using to get to the breathe to the animals. To the photosynthesis processing, one chlorophyll to the plant leaves. Without chlorophyll, can't do photosynthesis processing. When decreasing calcium minerals level then usually level, leaves tips is will dry of the plant leaf, and also when decreasing zinc level then usually level, plant leaves can get as a thickness characteristics. That's why we can say minerals also very important to the plant also. Now I am going to explain composition of organic structure. Composition of carbohydrate CHO. You can keep in your mind as a CHO. Protein CHON with S short form CHONs. Lipids also CHO. Composition of nucleic acid CHON with P CHONP. Therefore, composition of carbohydrate CHO, composition of proteins CHONs, composition of lipids CHO, composition of nucleic acid CHONP. These things is very important. You can observe in previous past paper. Don't skip the video. End of the video, I will give some short form regarding to the type of carbohydrate. Now I am just explaining. This is my first video, no? That's why I am introduce learning method. From next video, I will give lot of support to you. Okay. Now I am going to explain regarding to the carbohydrate. Molecular structure or molecular formula of the carbohydrate CXH2OY. CXH2OY. This formula also very important. There are three types of carbohydrate. First one monosaccharide, second one polysaccharide, third one disaccharide. Monosaccharide, disaccharide, polysaccharide also correct, but reason for putting polysaccharide as a second to make the short form. You can keep in your mind as a very easy monopoly type of carbohydrate, monosaccharide, polysaccharide, disaccharide. Short form of the carbohydrate, type of carbohydrate, monopoly. Mono mean monosaccharide, poly mean polysaccharide, D mean disaccharide. If you keep in your mind like this, you can get the answer within few minutes without any thinking. So type of carbohydrate, monopoly. If you keep in your mind, you can get the answer very quick. Next one I am going to explain regarding to the monosaccharide. Example of the monosaccharide, galactose. Second one is fructose. Third one is glucose. Short form to the monosaccharide, gafragulu. Meaning of gafragulu. First GA is first second letter of the galactose, GA. First second letter of fructose, FR. And glue, lastly glue. Glue mean first three letter of glucose, gafragulu. GA mean first letter of galactose. FR mean first two letter of fructose. Gulu mean first three letter of glucose. Gafragulu. Gafragulu is the example to the monosaccharide. This is very easy learning method. Now I am going to give short form to the disaccharide. We know example to the disaccharide: sucrose, lactose, maltose. You can keep in your mind as a short form Sri Lanka Muslim. First letter of sucrose is S, that's why you can put Sri. First letter of lactose is L, that's why Langa. First letter of maltose is M, that's why medicine, first letter of medicine is M. So Sri Lanka Muslim, SLM, or Sri Lanka medicine, you can keep anyway. So now we know example to the disaccharide: sucrose, lactose, maltose, Sri Lanka medicine or Sri Lanka Muslim. If you keep in your mind, you can learn very well than other students. From next video, I will support and I will explain to get the answer chemistry and physics without calculations. Okay, I have given short form to the monosaccharide and disaccharide. Now I am going to move to explain polysaccharide. We know example to the polysaccharide: starch, N-cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin. You can keep in your mind as a short form star cell hemipectin. Star cell hemipec. This is a name of white man. Star cell hepec or hemipec. UI stems. When you learning science, if you get short form like this, you can go upward to your life. That's why I am making video like this. Lot of students are asking to me to put the YouTube video like this. That's why I decided to make the video. Thanks very much, students. We'll see with next video. Thanks very much. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friend. Thanks very much.